Best travel credit cards for Americans. What if I told you your next vacation could be 70% cheaper just by using the right credit card? In this video, I'll break down the best travel credit cards for Americans in 2026, who they're best for, and how to choose the right one based on your spending habits. Let's get into it. Section 1, Premium Travel Card, is first up the Chase Bank Sapphire Preferred Card. This is one of the best starter travel cards in the US. Why? You typically get a large welcome bonus after meeting a minimum spend, often worth hundreds in travel. You earn strong points on travel and dining, and the points transfer to airline and hotel partners. Annual fee? Yes. But for most travelers, the value outweighs it if you travel at least once or twice a year. Best for beginners who want flexible travel rewards. Section 2, Luxury Travel Card. If you travel frequently and want airport lounge access, check out American Express, the Platinum Card. This is premium. You get lounge access, hotel status perks, travel credits, and strong points on flights booked directly with airlines. The annual fee is high, but frequent travelers can easily offset it with benefits. Best for frequent flyers who want luxury perks. Section 3, Simple and Flexible Option. If you want something simple, consider Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. You earn a flat rate on every purchase, no complicated categories. Miles can be used to erase travel purchases or transferred to partners. Best for people who want travel rewards without tracking bonus categories. Section 4, No Annual Fee Option. Not ready to pay an annual fee? Look at travel cards from Bank of America or entry-level cards that still offer travel rewards with no annual fee. You won't get premium perks, but you can still earn points on everyday spending. Best for students or beginners building credit. How to choose the right card important. Before applying, ask yourself, do I travel at least once per year? Can I hit the welcome bonus spending requirement responsibly? Will I pay the balance in full every month? Travel rewards only make sense if you avoid interest. Credit card interest can completely wipe out any travel benefit. Pro tip, maximize value. Use the card for everyday spending. Hit the welcome bonus responsibly. Transfer points to airline partners for maximum value. Pair a travel card with a no annual fee card for better coverage. The best travel credit card isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that matches your spending habits and travel goals. If you want, comment below how often you travel per year, and I'll reply with which card might fit you best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more US finance content that helps you build wealth and travel smarter. See you in the next one.